So today we are fixing up this mower deck on our push lawn mower. It's seen some better days. It's rusty, it's cracked. So I will be patching that up with some scrap steel and my TIG welder. Here is the lawnmower engine that I removed. It is 3 bolts, bolt 1, 2, and 3. Take the blade off, it drops right off, and then we can get to cleaning this up to be able to weld do it. While cleaning up the rust holes, I noticed that this part cracked and this part right here cracked. I mean, it's supposed to be bent a little bit, but this thing really cracked. So I'm gonna TIG weld it. I'm sure you could do this with MIG and flux core if you're really fast, because it's thin metal, but I'll probably run a 3/32 or maybe a 1/16 rod, 3/32 tungsten, and then we'll just zipper weld this up, zipper that up, and then find some patch panels from the metal I got over here and patch some of these holes back on, or back up. Throw the motor back on there. It's on the trash can. Throw it back on, and we'll be mowing in no time at all. Except for I turned the motor upside down accidentally, so once we pull it quite a few times, we should be mowing in no time. So let's get this part patched up right here, right there, and then work on the other stuff. Since this lawnmower only sees use cutting brush in a pretty woody backyard, there's no sense wasting time and making this thing look beautiful. So I have 18 or 16 gauge just sheet metal that's seen some sitting in the garage. I just cut out a little coupon here with my snips, and we're going to be patching this hole like that. And what do you know, the hole's patched. Now I'll just weld around it, and then that hole will be done. Fix a few more of these, and then be good to go. I'll probably tack weld or stitch weld some of these holes over here. Either that or weld in a panel. That's where I burned through because I had the wrong TIG setting way too high for the thin stuff I was welding here. And I'll weld this guy in, and we'll be good to weld the rest and call it a day. And here we have it, patch panel, another panel. Kept springing leaks over here, so I had to add a few more patch panels. The nicest welded long panel, patched that up and patched this up. So again, not pretty by any stretch of the imagination, but let's flip it over and take a look at the penetration underneath. So I know this doesn't look beautiful, but it's a lot more beautiful than going to the landfill, let's put it that way. We got this flashlight here. No light. 100% penetration. This was welded from that other side. So, and obviously you can still see the rust holes, but with that patch panel, it doesn't get through. Neither up here, nor up there. So, it's time to slap on the lawnmower, give it a fresh coat of paint, and well, with some primer too, and start using it. And you can see this thing's completely rusty from us never cleaning out the grass. So note to anyone with a lawnmower like this, make sure you clean out the grass underneath it, or else you'll be TIG welding or MIG welding your lawnmower, or sending it for scrap at the landfill, or a free thing on Facebook Marketplace for someone to pick up and learn how to weld. But easy project, practically free except for welding rod, welding gas, and a sheet of 16 gauge steel I had just laying around.